This machine has a Makita edge trimmer. They are quite weak, but you can cut aluminum if you run the CNC machine slowly, and the Makita at high speed. With a strong spindle, you can do the opposite. We also run Arduino, with SLCAM, which is perfect to start with. As we mentioned before, the machine comes with Arduino preset, but you can change to other electronics easily, then you can run the machine with more advanced control software. We have instructions for that. When cutting metals, you should have a low RPM on the cutter. After the cutter starts cutting, you can lower it to get a better chip load. This is not ideal, but it works. If you have the budget, get a real spindle with a VFD. We have guides on how to wire them.